Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. How's everybody? Hope you all are good. Ignore the nubby nails. I just haven't got around to doing them, so I do apologise about that. So, in today's video, sorry I had an itchy nose, I have some lovely products from M's Nail Art Supplies. My lovely girl, hey, and she is launching some new products on her channel, and I thought I'd show you some that she has sent me. She's sent me some wonderful goodies to show you. She's got 5 new glitters out. There are a couple of mixes here. She has also got some new charms, a couple of other glitters, which I will pop pictures on and most probably put the names on them if I can remember. But I know there are a couple that she's got out. She's got a glitter mix called a Christmas Cookies. Bear with me one second. And a pearl and rhinestone mix called Elf. I will pop them on the screen for you. And then a few others that I'll dot about here and there in the video. But first, let's get in to what she sent me. So, sorry about the noise. Let's put them over here. So obviously you know some of the names. And as I'm doing it, I will pop them in to a pot. So here are the new glitters. So these 3 here, move them to there a minute. These 3 here are the new autumn colours that she has brought out. They're really nice. And one is called Spice Punch, and we both sort of, you know, it's beautiful. Just look how stunning that is. How stunning that colour is. It's beautiful. And then this one is a cocoa. They've been named on themes of drinks. It's got like a brown cocoa colour to it, but I'll show you them in a minute in a pot. And then this one is mulled berry, so similar to mulled wine, but mulled berry. So yeah, shall we pop them quickly and have a look? I'll try not to take too long with it, but she will be launching these today. So I will rename them with either a little piece of pen and paper or sticky tab, or I'll use my got a new label maker, might label it with that. So let's pop this one quickly and have a quick look. I probably should have put a piece of tissue paper down, shouldn't I? As to not get so much glitter all over my desk, but as to the effect of my background. So here is Spice Punch. That is, I have to say, the most beautiful glitter if you ever did see. It is nice and fine as well, so it should be good for sugaring or using with acrylic. Gorgeous colour. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that is the first one that she's launching. And then get another pot. Next one is Cocoa. Perfect name, I think. Looks like a nice cocoa colour, doesn't it? Let's put that one in the pot. Oh, that's going to look wonderful. Oh, I just hit my phone, sorry. And the big fat head. And they're so fine as well, it's gorgeous. So that is Cocoa, hopefully. It's, to me, it's not really showing up very well. However, it might to you. Let me put my flash on and see how that makes it. Oh, typical. Okay, he's not working. However, he's got like a coppery cocoa colour. So hopefully you'll be able to see that on camera. If not, honestly, it's stunning. And then this one is Mulled Berry. It's like a burgundy type colour to it. It's got a burgundy undertone. I think it's beautiful. Such beautiful colours. So have a look. Come on, girl, hurry up. We ain't got all day. So this one is Mulled Berry. I do hope the colours show on camera. They say to me, they ain't showing the full potential colour on camera. Well, on my little screen that I've got, but hopefully it will. So that is them. And then these two are the Christmas ones. So she's launching these as well ready. So they are the new Christmas colours. And you have a Christmas Delight and Silver Bells. So this one is like a holographic. It's gorgeous. And then this one's red with silver in it. That is beautiful too. So let's get them potted too. So let's start with Silver Bells, shall we? Oh, I've been looking forward to this. It's gorgeous. I love a good hollow. About anybody else? I'm getting it all over myself as well. Jeez, woman. Come on, come on. So there you go. All that hollow. Beautiful colour. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then Christmas Delight. Oh, got it everywhere. That hollow one's going to be around for ages now. It's all over my fingers. Looks like it's going to be a gorgeous colour. Ain't gonna mess. Ah. So here is Christmas Delight. Now that is, I would say, a Christmas colour. That is gorgeous. And also fine as well. All 5 of them are fine colours. They are beautiful. And then we go on to some gemstone, rhinestone. Well, these ones look like pearls, pearl mixes. Oh no, they've got some rhinestones in them. And this one is called Champagne Bubbles. So let me just get hopefully a clean tray. I've got one here, I think. No, he is not. Right, give me 2 seconds. Put in that one. Sorry. So here's a tray. Oh, make a mess, woman, what you like. I got most of them done. So here you see I've got like pearls, so we've got different size type pearls. We've got them in silver, we've got them in gold. Ooh, wrong place. So you've got them in silver and you've got them in gold. And then you also get a few rhinestones with it as well. Nice. Who don't like a nice silver rhinestone? Love it. Wow, man. So that'll be handy for Christmas. Make a nice big Christmas, like a Christmas tree type thing. Or some garlands. That'd be nice. Very nice. So that one is champagne bubbles. This mix, once we get it out in a minute, you can see there's more. You can see some bows. See pearls. I can see heart rhinestones. And this one is called Love Actually. So let's have a look at that one. Here we go. So let's get some of these big ones over, shall we? So here we have this one. All the like hearts that are upside down are the red ones, so the red rhinestone ones that you can see there. Then you've got some nice white pearls, large ones. See some reddish ones. There's some little, oh no, there are some tinier rhinestones. Can I get the thing? Yep. So you got some little round ones too. I thought they were pearls. Got some little pearls. Yeah, it's white rhinestone, I'm not sure. But you've also got some red bows. So you got a few of them in there. Yeah. I think that's quite a pretty mix, don't you? Very pretty mix. So yeah, I am glad that it's going to be nice. Like I say, she has got some others that are being launched as well. So I will pop pics around of what she's launching, along with the 5 new glitters here. So you've got the 3 autumn colours here. So these 3, which is Mild Berry, Spice Punch and Cocoa. So they're the new autumn colours that she's I don't know if it's really going to show that way, that she's launching. And then you've got the 2 Christmas colours that are coming out as well. So you've got Silver Bells and Christmas Delight. So that's nice. And then the 2, so you got the Champagne Bubbles, that's the one. And then Love Actually. So that's nice. And yeah. So do go check her website out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. I will also leave my discount code down below for you for it. So that is Hilly15. You save yourself 15% off. Trust me, it's a good deal. And she's always occasionally having deals as well on. Sometimes, so she may even have one when she launches. I'm not sure, she hasn't said. But you never know. Being as it's a new launch, she might do a little something. If she doesn't, use my code. That's what it's there for, you know. And it helps her out too. It helps you out as well. Gets you a bit of discount. But yeah, do go check her out. And for those of you that she is only currently shipping in the UK on her website. But if you do live outside the UK and you do want shipping, message her via her Instagram, which will be on her website. If not, I can always leave it down below in the description box for you. Give her a message. She'll quite happily sort something out with you if you want to do an international shipping. She will sort it out. She's a lovely girl. She will get back to you as soon as she can. She's a little bit busy at the moment with the new launch of everything, but she does get back to you. She always gets back to me. Always gets back to me. I love her to death. Bless her heart. And yeah, so do go check her out. you will not regret it. And she's got loads of other stuff still on there as well, all her best stuff. I have got another video, it'll either go up before this one or after this one, it'll vary, but I do have another little haul, but I thought I'd do the launch one on its own, and I will do my other one in a moment. Bag of goodies, look, bag of goodies. So that I have not done the video for, so you may see that before this video. It varies on, you know. But yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when I'll be uploading again. Leave a comment down below on how you like the video, and if you liked all this gorgeousness and any that I have poked on screen. And until the next video, guys, have a lovely rest of your day or evening or whatever it is where you are. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.